Hey guys, what is up? This is Lsaver here. Welcome back to my channel and also welcome back to a brand new pickups review. So today we're gonna be going over a very special item. This is a pair of pants that I've been wanting for quite some time, and finally it dropped at the perfect moment. And you know what? I haven't been really doing too much shopping, or I haven't copped any personals lately, so I was like, this is the item I gotta have. And I'm sure you guys read it by the title. We are going over a pair of Gallery Department's Carpenter pant today. If you guys are from LA, you guys have definitely heard of Gallery Department. They've been booming up. A lot of their stuff is really special. Most of their garments are one-of-one, so it's definitely unique in terms of these vintage customized garments. And let me go ahead and show you guys these detailed pair of pants from top to bottom. First things first, guys, it comes in this environmental bag, so we're gonna go over each and every step of the process. You get this nice little sticker right here at the top, and it also comes with the receipt. It has the info about the product, and also it has their address and business detail information right here. Shout out to Trent Truce, right? You guys can find him on Instagram. I haven't met him yet. From the looks of it, great dude. He packed all my stuff nicely, and you know, when it comes to purchasing something, it really shows that the people care when your item comes nicely packed. And let me know if you guys agree on that. Anyways, it comes with 2 pencils. Awesome. Thank you, Trent, for including this. He even included some extra stickers, so I got 2 Gallery Department stickers right here, not to mention the pair of pants right here. It did come nicely folded just like this. It probably even came a little bit nicer than this, but I took it out. I tried it on already, just so whenever I'm giving you guys the review, I already know how this stuff fits, and it's better for me to explain it for you guys. Without further ado, let me take this thing out carefully because I still don't want to rip it. Anyways, we get this tag right here. It just says quick description of what you're expecting. Each pair of pants are unique in its own way. It's all hand done, so you're not going to get the same pants as anyone else that ordered the same thing. These things do sell out. I believe on the website it might just be one of each size. So for the Carpenter pants, this is what I purchased right here. Boom, so nice, right? So nice. This is a pair of 32 by 34. I'm usually like a 32 by 32. It has like decent stack when it's like that. With the 34 length and this custom cut, I just feel like it's exactly what I'm expecting when I want to cop a pair of flare jeans or something like this. Anyways, it has this nicely detailed patch right here that's sewn on nice and straight. On the inside is even printed with Gallery Department Carpenter Flare, you know. So boom, Gallery Department dead in the middle, and it says art on display courteous of Josue Thomas. It has the address information right there as well. These pants are priced at $8.95 retail. It's a hefty price tag right here. This button, it doesn't have the replacement button. This one just says Carhartt, so these are probably a pair of vintage Carhartt pants. Maybe these were done last minute. Another thing to mention, despite the hefty price tag, these things do go up in price. I see a bunch of people listing them up on Grailed for insane prices, right? Of course, let's continue with these pants and the details of it. On the side, we get this nicely painted paint splatter right here and the multicolors. I really like that it goes throughout the pant, even hitting some on the flare. And of course, it has the double fronts. The main thing about the Carhartt pants is the double front. This is a nice accent to the flare, and that's what's good about Gallery Department. They take their own perspective into their work. They're like, hey, why don't we just take a pair of these wide pants, taper them down on the thigh, and give them a nice flare on the bottom. So when you're taking anything from just an idea and making it into something of your own, is definitely art. And on the side, they give you some distress work. Really cool touch right here as well. On the inside, on the bottom, straight up just cut with the raw edges. They leave you with a little bit of distress right there on the bottom. And yeah, these are the Carpenter Flare in the latest color, brown. Really nice. Finally, I was able to cop a pair of these. Gallery Department stuff, I always heard good things about their fitment. For me, it fits a little loose up top. It gives me a nice little taper on the shin area. It gives it a crazy flare at the end, which is really awesome. I'm about 5'10". I weigh about 170. Sometimes, you know, a little bit heavier, sometimes a little bit lighter. It really depends on what I'm eating. I'm telling you, right when I put on these pair of pants, they're non-stretch. much, but they fit perfectly. I was really satisfied with the way they fit. These kind of pants will go good with any type of body shape. If you got thick legs, if you got slim legs, they'll go good with anybody. I am pretty satisfied with the purchase. One day I'm gonna visit the store, hopefully when this pandemic stuff is over with. Future purchases are already on my mind. I hope you guys like the details that I showed you guys. And of course, if this kind of helps you with your purchase experience or purchase process, it feels like I did my job. So as like a YouTube reviewer, you know, I feel like I gotta show you guys everything in order for it to be a good review. So if you guys aren't getting information out of this, and if it's not helping you guys purchase what you want, or just to see future ideas of what you want, I feel like I didn't do a good job. So if it did, definitely leave this video a thumbs up, hit the subscribe button, and also drop a comment. If I'm not there to answer your questions, hopefully someone else on YouTube can assist you with your questions or whatnot. Lsaver signing out. I hope you guys enjoyed this one, and I'm gonna show you guys some on body shots. Like I said, I'll catch you guys on the next one. Peace.